Welcome to Ecotone Systems. We are proud to present the successful completion of an acoustic enclosure project for Wabtec India Industrial Pvt. Ltd., located in Bengaluru, Karnataka. This video offers a detailed view inside the acoustic enclosure, highlighting its robust construction, precision-engineered panels, and high-quality finishes. Designed to meet demanding industrial requirements, the enclosure integrates advanced acoustic insulation, effective noise attenuation, and optimized airflow management. The solution ensures reliable noise control while maintaining equipment accessibility, operational safety, and long-term durability. At Ecotone Systems, we deliver customized acoustic solutions that enhance industrial environments. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more information videos.